Hi everyone, I just upgrade the stock fog lamp of my Hilux to BAJA design, plug and play, bolt on. I use the yellow. See how bright, huh? This is we installed already, and see the factory white. See the difference. This is the stock and this is the aftermarket BAJA design. This is the fog lamp. It got 4 mini LEDs inside, durable heat sink, plug and play. Yay. This is the box BAJA. It's also available in warm white color, but I use the yellow instead for a change. Yeah, see the difference. The stock and the aftermarket. Available here at PRS CAR Accessories and Services. Get it now. Bye.